Here's one way that we could think about it. A language model, we call it a model. Like, that means that it's modeling something. One question we could ask is, what is it modeling? In some very literal sense, a language model models the keystrokes that humans press on keyboards, because that's how all the text on the internet is generated. There's something very profound there, because if you can very accurately predict what buttons people will press on keyboards, you understand something very deep about human behavior, because so much of our interaction is with computers. So if a language model really understands how people will act, how people will behave, then it should be able to utilize this understanding of those patterns to do a really great job of achieving conversational goals. I think we've only scratched the surface of the potential for that. Because right now, the preferences stuff, the supervised learning stuff, it's really trying to get these models to act more like people, to sort of mimic people. I think they can do a lot more than that. They can actually use their deep understanding of the patterns in human behavior to be much better at achieving end goals. There's naturally like a little bit of a nefarious undertone to that sometimes, but there's also something very good about it. If you can be a tech support agent that optimizes for minimizing human frustration, that's a really good thing. An AI-enabled teacher that gets students to patiently listen to a lesson, that can be a really powerful thing. And I think that we haven't unlocked that potential yet, but with some of these technologies that are coming to the forefront, I think we're getting closer and closer to that.